SistaSlayage, and welcome to the Slay Nation, my channel, where we offer tons of solutions for the everyday woman's makeup regimen. So today I'm going to have a quick little discussion about highlighting and contouring. At first I thought it was like this crazy trend that was like, okay, it's going to go away eventually. But she ain't going nowhere. As long as we want to trim off a little bit of that cheek meat, we're going to always have highlight and contouring. So what I'm going to do to help you out is to tell you exactly how you should highlight and contour your face. Think about the Streetlight curfew. Apply that to highlight and contour, and I'm going to tell you how you do that. When the sun was out, it was bright outside, right? It was light outside. When it was dark outside, and you had to come inside. So think about it like this. During the sun, when the sun is out, daylight hours, I come outside, or I go out to work. And at nighttime, I go in, I go home, I go get into bed. So apply that to your face. Anything on your face that comes out, you bring sunlight to it, i.e. highlighting. Anything on your face that's dark, it goes in, contouring, bring darkness to it. So if you ever wonder, how do I contour my face? What do I highlight? Don't go on, sometimes videos will be helpful, like this one should be helpful, hopefully. But what you want to do is think about when you were a kid. When it was dark outside, you brought your butt in. So bring anything that comes in on your face, straight darkness, boo-boo. And anything that comes out on your face, bring sunlight to it. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate what I am talking about is I'm going to use this MAC palette here. It is a really, really nice palette. They came out with this about a month ago, so I'm a little late. If y'all want a review on this, let me know. It's the Studio Fix Highlight and Contouring Palette. And the thing I like about it, it's a powder product. So what I'm going to do, keep in mind, things that go in on my face, I'm going to bring a little darkness. Like Rick James, darkness, everybody. So I'm going to bring a little bit of darkness there. And I'm using the color, I believe this color is called Shadowy, if I'm not mistaken. And so just, you see how you bring that in on your cheekbones. And of course, you don't want to leave it like that, like somebody hits you in your face or whatnot. But you want to bring just a little bit of darkness onto the cheekbone, okay? And, well, in the contours of the cheek, excuse me. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate the other side of what I'm talking about, think about sunlight. It's shiny outside, it's beautiful. So you want to bring light to the part of your face that comes out. So I am using ANASTASIA NICOLE GUERRIERO palette to demonstrate this. This is like my favorite highlight palette. It looks a mess, but she gets used religiously. And I'm going to use the color called Glow Getter. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and I'm just going to pop it on my cheekbone like so. And I need to look in the mirror to make sure I'm not messing up. But yeah, see, I got to bring her in just a little more. And I'm going to work that product in and also around my cheekbones and the contours of my cheeks and whatnot. And this isn't just perfect. This is just to give you a quick demonstration on how to and where to highlight and contour on your face. So remember, if you can't find a video that is a face-shaped duplicate of where you should highlight and contour, think about your beautiful childhood. When it was sun out, you came out to play highlight. When it's dark, when that street light came on, you bought that butt. Yeah, you bought that butt. I thought I cussed for a minute. I had to catch myself. You came inside because you want to get in trouble. So you're going to bring darkness to anything that comes inside. Alright? So I'm SistaSlayage. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification button because there'll be plenty of other videos like this in the future. So this is not by any means the least or the most of my makeup tips and tricks. So have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Boo sugar. work that out a little bit.